Belzona 4911 is a two-component surface conditioner for use on metallic surfaces in masonry. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to mix Belzona 4911 by volume. As always, make sure to read the manufacturer's instructions for use provided with each Belzona product. Open Belzona 4911 base and scrape the edges to reincorporate any settlement. The mixing ratio is 2 parts base and 1 part solidifier. Add the 2 parts of base into a mixing cup. Belzona 4911 is key to guarantee the correct adhesion of Belzona 4000 series products on metallic and masonry surfaces. Open Belzona 4911 solidifier and add the right amount into the mixing cup. Thoroughly mix both components until a uniform consistency is achieved. When the conditioner is mixed, it's ready for applications on potholes, walls, concrete floors, ramps, and any other metallic and masonry surfaces. For more information about Belzona 4911, visit belzona.com.